Once upon a time in ancient times in Nepal, children were sent to Gurukul to study. They would stay and learn in Gurukul, taking on duties like cleaning, watering the plants, and cooking food. And there was a Gurukul near the forest, away from the town, where hundreds of children received education under the guidance of their master. Once, a boy was sent to Gurukul to study. He quickly became friends with other students, but he struggled a lot with his studies. Even though he worked hard on his daily tasks, he found it difficult to grasp what the master taught him. This made him the target of ridicule by his classmates. When the year ended, all his friends moved on to the next class, but he couldn't. The master tried to teach him by every possible method, but the boy would not understand. Finally, the master gave up and said to the boy, "My dear, I have tried everything and made all efforts to help you learn, but still you can't understand anything. Perhaps education is not in your destiny, so it is better that you go home and help your family with their household work." The boy also realized that he might not be able to study, so he left for home with a heavy heart. The summer season had reached its peak, and it was afternoon. The boy was walking to his home, which was about 20 miles from the Gurukul. He was simply walking and thinking about something. He began to feel thirsty while walking near a village, so he went looking for some water. He looked around and noticed that some women were drawing water from a well. He went to the well to drink some water. When he arrived, he noticed some marks on a solid stone kept near the well, which was used under the rope to draw water from the well. He questioned a woman, "How did you make this mark on the stone?" The woman replied, "We did not make this mark. It exists because of the soft rock that is repeatedly pushed over it while drawing water from the well. Repeated use of the rope left such marks on the stone." Listening to this, the boy began to think. He pondered why. If repeated movement of the rope could leave deep marks on such a solid stone, he couldn't learn through constant practice. This incident served as an inspiration for him. He returned to the Gurukul with great enthusiasm and began studying tirelessly. The master was pleased to see him working hard, and he supported him fully. After a few years, this boy became famous as Acharya Vardharaj, a great scholar of Sanskrit grammar. He wrote important books like Madhya Siddhanta, Laghu Siddhanta, and Sara Siddhanta, which are still valued today. Looking at our own lives, we see the importance of hard work for success. Practice is not just a routine, it is the path to excellence. Whether it's in sports, studies, art, music, or any other endeavor, consistent and deliberate practice is key to achieving mastery. The story of Acharya Vardharaj reminds us that success doesn't come without effort. It is the hours of practice behind the scenes, the late nights spent honing skills, and the determination to push through challenges that pave the way to greatness. Even the most talented people can fall short of their full potential if they do not put forth the necessary effort. Determination is the fuel that drives us forward, especially when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Our unwavering confidence in our abilities and relentless pursuit of our goals propels us to success. Relying solely on luck is a risk. Long-term success necessitates a combination of dedication, tenacity, and resilience. In the vast of life, those who recognize the value of practice and embrace the journey of continuous improvement leave a lasting legacy of greatness. So, let us be inspired by Acharya Vardharaj's story and commit to the path of hard work and practice, knowing that with these virtues, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. In the story, we see how this boy, once weak in his studies, became a brilliant scholar through his determination and constant practice. His success came from his perseverance. In real life, Many students face difficulties in certain subjects or topics. Just like Acharya Vardaraj, it's important to not be disheartened by initial setbacks. Instead, view these challenges as opportunities for growth. By recognizing that consistent practice leads to improvement, students can create effective study routines. Setting aside dedicated time each day for learning and revision can yield significant results over time. Acharya Vardaraj returned to the Gurukul with renewed enthusiasm after her realization. Similarly, students can seek help from teachers, tutors, or peers when they encounter obstacles in their learning journey. Just as Acharya Vardaraj found her inspiration unexpectedly, individuals can explore various interests and fields to discover their passions. Whether it's through internships, workshops, or self-study, developing skills in a chosen field requires dedication and practice. Acharya Vardaraj initially believed that education might not be his destiny. This self-doubt is something many individuals face. By challenging these beliefs and staying determined, one can achieve remarkable growth. Failures and mistakes are part of the learning process. Rather than seeing them as setbacks, view them as opportunities to learn and improve. Adopting a growth mindset, where challenges are seen as opportunities for growth, can empower individuals to embrace learning and take on new challenges with enthusiasm. Life is full of ups and downs. By drawing from Acharya Vardaraj's determination, individuals can navigate challenges with resilience and optimism. The story teaches us to be observant and open to inspiration from our surroundings. Whether it's a quote, a book, a movie, or a conversation, there are valuable lessons to be learned everywhere. In essence, the story of Acharya Vardaraj teaches us that success is not just about innate talent or luck, it's about determination, perseverance, and constant practice. By applying these principles to our own lives, we can overcome challenges, achieve our goals, and strive for greatness in any endeavor we undertake. History is only the story of such a few people who have adopted these two qualities in their lives. All the big scholars, scientists, or other great people who made their name in history were not better than you. They did not have anything that you don't have. But they all became great only by their perseverance and tireless efforts. As a result, if you have aspirations to achieve greatness in your own life, know that the way is open to you. You have as much potential for success as any of history's greats. The key is to start today and dedicate yourself to your goals with unwavering determination. So, let the stories of those who came before you motivate you to take action. Begin today. Take small steps toward your goals, and keep your gaze fixed on the vision of greatness you seek to achieve. For it is only through a combination of patience, hard work, and unwavering perseverance that you can carve out your own place in history and accomplish whatever you set your mind to. If you're interested in embarking on a lifelong journey of self-improvement and seeking clarity, don't forget to like and subscribe.